Hello, and this is a Doctor Who review reviewing the Sonic Screwdriver toy and prop made by Character Options. So this is it. This is the Sonic Screwdriver. This, I believe, is the latest version that they've come out with. It has this textured, cracked, speckled porcelain that is modeled after, much like the actual prop. It actually does slide up and down, and lights up and makes noise. And this actually is a UV light on the tip, actually, which is quite nifty, actually. Also, on the back is a pen. Which writes, which is pretty neat. And then also, as a bonus, is another kind of ink nib. And that one actually is a UV ink pen. So you can write a secret message, and then with the UV light, reveal it. And that is pretty much it. The Doctor Who screwdriver, Sonic Screwdriver, pen, and UV light. Much like the torch, but slightly larger actually. This one is about 7 or 8 inches.